Good morning. I'm going to dry laundries outside. I already put one out there, and this time is going to be on a dryer a portable dryer that I purchased years ago. Let me zoom out a little bit. So I have it for at least 7 years, if not 6 or 7 years. When my middle one was born, and I switched to clove diaper. So I purchased multiple 3 or 4 dryers, and at least 2 were damaged, and I still have 2 left. But out of the 2, 1 is still in good shape, and I use it outside to dry clothes. So I'm going to dry my towels, my dish towels on that, and show you that. So if you don't have a garden with fence that you can profit from to dry your clothes, and you don't have clothes lines, that's a good dryer, portable dryer to have. I dry in the basement on it. When I was clothing diaper my youngest one here in the house, I have a vent by the dryer, so I'll have it there, and I'll just dry my diapers there at night, and they will be dry by the next morning. So because I use hemp diapers and bamboo diapers, they were flat, so they dry very quickly. So I'm going to use it outside to dry my towels. Gabriel, you're now outside to play, because pretty soon you'll go inside to eat breakfast. And that's something that comes apart. So I have this that I'm going to just open and put it. And I highly recommend it. It's very, thank you. So it's very, can show you that that's the ground, that's the bottom one. And then I have this one part. What I do is I just make sure when I'm putting it away, I don't mess up the cord, because when you mess up the cord and I try to open it, it will get stuck. And at this time I can say that it's stuck somewhere. So you'll see me unravel it and put it together. But pretty much I'm going to put it here. And it's very easy. Then I'll just twist this one, and you can see that they are together now. But then I have a feeling like the cord is not at the right spot. Okay, so it's because I didn't open this side. Gabriel, Jaden, now, and put that things back. Jaden, put that things back in the garage. No, that one. Yes. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if you saw it, but there is something here that I just push to let it. Don't know if you can see it. And that's the way I'll do it. And then I'll untwist it at the bottom to lift this part. And to lift it back up, I'll just push it. And that will clip. And that's pretty much it. And you can see it, that's the way it's going to look. So now we are going to start drying. Another thing I like to do, and I'll do that at the end, is putting bricks along the legs, so that if it's windy outside, it doesn't fall, because it does fall when it's windy.
Can you get the stones?
No, I can do that later.
Okay.
But I can start with the tall one. You can put close skin on it if you want. Just one. I had to say that my garden fence dried faster than this one, because this one, when I have a lot of things on it, it might take some hours to dry. Very color. Jaden, no, they are towels and table, your table cloths, right? You don't want to dirty it, am I right? Good. So now you're not supposed to play with sick either. So go
It's not a dick.
Jaden, it is. Go put it in the garden. I don't want you to get hurt with it, okay? So I'm trying to put two on this one. I'm trying to put a tall fabric out there before the little towels. So pretty much we use those towels on the kids' little table, and we use those towels to wash dishes and to wipe them. And depending on what I do with my towels, some of them can be very thin, but I'm fine with it. I dry them, I wash them in hot water. I'll first rinse them in cold water, and then I'll wash it in hot water with washing soda. Enlève la main de dans ta poche et sèche rapidement, sinon ça va tomber. Sinon, tu mets dans les pains, je fais ça moi-même. And you can even see that some of them are torn. And this is bird eyes. Is it? No, this one is bird eyes, organic, and this one is, I think this one is flour sack. Towels. Even with holes, I use them. Yeah, and this one is bird eyes. Cotton towels. Va jeter le bâton. Dépêche-toi.
Here, look at it. Here, look at it.
And this one is just a baby t-shirt, infant t-shirt that I cut, and we wash dishes with it. So even though I sew towels and I have them and I use them, that's just one way to repurpose what we have around the house. And this towel, you know, I sew and I have bamboo and hemp towels, but I have purchased those face towels, little towels that I use. I have a bunch of it that I use in the kitchen to wipe dishes. Although they don't dry as fast as hemp or bamboo towels, I mean, they are very good compared to regular dish towels. So I've been using them to wash dishes, to wipe around the stove, the table, and to wipe dishes. So they are just face towels, white, and I rinse and wash them in hot water. I rinse in cold water and wash them in hot water. So we use them for a while, and we'll pile them up on the side, and I'll take them to the basement to hang them until I have enough to do to launder them. Go put that in the garden now. Yeah, you're not going to get sick outside. No, Jaden, I don't want you to hook yourself. Angelique, yesterday you came outside. I told you not to play with sick. You know the rules, but yet you did. You see your brother now? He thinks he should play with sick. And those are infants shirts that I got rid of, and I just cut it in pieces that we wash dishes with. They wash dishes very well. And this is linen fabric, I believe, that I sew into towels, and I use them a lot as well. Jaden, what is the problem? And I prefer to use those fabrics to wash dishes instead of sponges, because sponge can harbor germs, I think. So, and I didn't repurpose my no-show socks that I have, and I didn't use them brand new, and I didn't use them for years, and I just wash them and put them there to wash dishes. So, and we just use them for some hours, and we will change them. That way I can just wash them in hot water to avoid brewing germs in my kitchen. Thank you for watching. That's how you can use this portable dryer and dry outside. And I have some, Angelica, what are the stove here? They are here. So I have those bricks. Bring the other one too. And I think 2 is plenty. And what I do is I just put it here, put it there, and that's pretty much it. And that will hold it apart. And having a dish the way it is, I think the air goes inside as well, so you'll dry things. But yeah, just know that when you have them, you use every single line of the cord. It might take a while to dry things for you, but it dries, and that's one way to dry outside if you don't have a dryer or you want to save on electricity by now using your dryer. You can use this portable. If I found the information on net, I'll put a link of it in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and owners of Nina Soap. And our website is ninasoap.com.